This is the Sending Smile Sentiments Stamp and Die set. It has 3 different dies that create 3 layers for the sending sentiment, a stamp set that creates the sub-sentiments, and then a die to cut those out. And those sub-sentiments, you can create 7 different sentiments all at once. I like to use a MISTI or some sort of stamp positioner in order to be able to stamp my sentiments multiple times to make sure I have nice clear sentiments. And then when I go to die cut them, I like to tape that die in place to make sure that it doesn't shift on me. I always like to make sure that it's going to die cut perfectly. These sentiments were done with just plain ink on plain white cardstock, but you could do them with embossing ink and emboss those sentiments as well, and it looks fantastic. I typically will cut my dies for the sending part out of white cardstock and then ink to coordinate, but you could also do it out of colored cardstock. This is a fantastic way to add sentiments with really interesting sub-sentiments that match perfectly and look fantastic on cards. Here I have it done in blue and gray, and then also in a pink and white tone. So it works perfectly with whatever colors you're going to use. And you can also mix and match with other sub-sentiments as well. This is a fantastic set. I'm going to get so much use out of it.